we have a couple callers saying that they heard 2 gunshots, that there was a large group of people out there fighting. It's saying that there's somebody shot, that's what it's coming in as, but nobody can confirm right now if there is an actual person shot. So once we get a crew on scene, they'll be able to determine if it's a good shooting or not.
All right, as they race there, let's get in a break. On Patrol Live, coming right back. Before we go back to Toledo, Ohio, to where they are continuing to race to that possible fight with shots fired, this is Sergeant Richie Marr in Daytona Beach, and he is responding to that other report of a shooting. A woman and her friend saying that they were fired at.
Or a shooting. There's enough units on scene with the victim. Pulled into her house. She had multiple bullet holes in her car that the police have confirmed. Projectiles in the vehicle. They gave a description of a silver SUV going east from the location, which is where we're turning now to see if we can locate a possible suspect.